Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 23 Rivian SUV, their first SUV, and full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus ceramic film. It's called Ultimate Fusion. So let's go over the install and take a look at what we got. So like we always do at Clearbrow, North Dallas, is wrapping all the edges, taking all the emblems off, coming around and getting all those wrapped in so there's no edges. Everything fully wrapped under, everything looking good. All these edges fully wrapped, everything looking great. So there we go. Coming around this way, nice clear hood. Black's a good color to see. And there's our logo for the Xpel product. And there's our company reflecting off of the car right there. So nice clear reflection for a 10-year film. The ceramic is a 4-year fusion ceramic, fully guaranteed for 4 years. The film for 10 in writing. Our installation for the lifetime that you own the vehicle in writing as well. Continuing around the car, we can see all where we wrapped, getting fully wrapped in. I gotta tell you, wrapping these, I do a bunch of these cars. This is our first SUV, and what a car to, lots to do. It's pretty big, looks pretty good. Not a bad job by them. These B pillars get done, the full mirror, all the plastic gets done. These come off so we don't have any lines in them. This all got ceramic coated so we can get that same surface. All this got wrapped around, all this got wrapped in. These were removed so we get a nice clean install. Wrapped in around the glass, nice big area, nice gap, appreciate that. Not sure that's what they want, but lights don't come out, but we still get in pretty tight. I can't see the line, but it's right there. These come off here, nice and clear. And window film was done on it also in the fronts. So everything's looking good. Again, what I strive for is no debris in the film. It's perfectly clear, and it's 30% XR Plus with a 90 percentile heat rejection for that. Overall, the install was beautiful, ready to go, and that's it for a 23 Rivian R1S. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com, 214-414-3809, extension 01 to get me. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching our channel, ClearbrowNorthDallas.com.